So here is the homepage of my website. I chose sports history because sports has such a big impact on everyone, whether it's close to us or we are directly involved in sports. And I wanted to point out different historical events that happened in the sports industry and just to kind of look at a timeline of different events that happened. So here's my home page, and I just have my about and a picture of Michael Jordan, and then my sports blog, which this one is the most recent one, and then the wiki and my original blog post. And then I have my biography page, which is just about me, and I have where I'm from, a little bit of background on sports and how I got involved in sports and why I chose this as my theme basically for the website. And then here I have my personal choice. And this is just the other topics that we got to choose and include. So there were some really great ones, and I picked a few for that. And then for resources, I have the Wakelet that I made, which was really cool. And this again just highlights some different events in sports history, some great articles that I found, which was really cool. And then for the technology projects, I have the moments in history, thematic slideshow, and we can just go through and see some of them. Again, highlighting just different events and people in sports. And then for the mobile app, I chose the Adobe Spark Post, which is a great way to make edits and just be in a creative space for a project. And then here's my PLN and PLE page, as well as the chart on blogs, curation, and microblogs. And then my website evaluation, I chose a history page that explained U.S. government to elementary school kids. And it was a pretty cool website that had different games, and it was a great way to engage younger viewers for the website. So there's that. And then my screencast will go there. But this overall, making this website, it definitely taught me, one, about making a website and the different resources we could use to add to it, as well as just how to bring those resources together into an overall organized idea. It was really cool organizing the website and just going outside to find different resources that I liked and that also matched my theme. And that is my website. So